Obi akwa by the Beja Bless TV so and so be and Eros no it means Eros no air course so when 7 my bobo no am dey bro starting from Friday 14th June 2024 Eros 2024 no started and opening game no air course so the Alliance Arena game between German and Scotland and ho nsem na ya bobo no e de me de bro so far Eros no ho nsem and my bobo no me de bro records are toja games ahodo abaso goals APM nya asem keto but before I start no men kan che every Muslim say happy Eid al-Adha enkoma Muslims fo ni nyina na happy Father's Day so enkoma eja and all fathers across the globe eno ehon nsem nam de etudwa amanso wo de we si eko utim kasem am hon famintina since I Euros ne started from Friday on tem nka but ene de nyame ando me kakra etimi abobo nsem ne kakra no a me de eba nam de abesomo nti na butre na giadwa ne team mi say we no first time make sure so be subscribe to the channel no hit on your notification button say be ya anytime you drop new video me drop new video bia na so won sabe dey ebe kan make sure say obe share no wa share wo idea obe comment in the comment section so na dey amai na yenso ye hu de wi a enema esi elko ema ye nyina so what you say we start the free the opening game against German versus Scotland eno ehun sem na me de bro so we Euros 2024 so far match reviews are aba atodwa na me de bro opening game na between German versus Scotland and the game no ko we 5-1 in favor of the home and I say the host nation German almost share Scotland 5-1 eno kwa no one goal no in all German for share 6 goal because Antonio Rudiger and they share no one goal edema Scotland for na me de ho sem united eto ni mama so ho de wi a enema esi elko okopima goal scorers no Florian Wirtz, Jamal Musiala, Kai Havertz, Fulkrop and Emre Can and the share goal no edema German for no and Antonio Rudiger and enya one goal and so own goal edema Scotland for no almost etimide etiti omo area so and also game no ekwo so no Scotland for the red card and also ha omo iye pa e war me de ho nsem nyina de eto en mukopi mo game no so no MVP and MVP na Jamal Musiala abrante no ebo no homode pa e ho no ma de ho nsem nyina e de eto en mama so wo hu de wi a enema esi ekwo memfa nto aso Saturday no games ahodo nso esa eba so Italy Albania and also Italy Albanian game no ko we 2-1 in favor of Albania and that game no Albania for and share the fastest ever goal since European Championship when started here no fastest ever goal Albania for and share you started game na 22 seconds na o share Italy for no but unfortunately for them within 16th minute na Italy for abeto omo kai ni 2-1 e don sem united e de and also MVP PM no Federico Chiesa and the PM as the MVP for the game between Italy and Albania and some kakri for ba ukopima Hungary and so Switzerland and so the boy ni the same day Saturday no then Hungary etnef omo na ebo home into omo telefi ma Switzerland ebe so omo 3-1 aba na Granit Xhaka and so eje the MVP of the game abrante no ball homodin iye pa e game no am don win united eto anim amount so wo de wi a enema si for but so far no memfa nto anim say we investor na o bet we into bet na Euros no so far no games goals PM no enye asem ketwa since Friday 14th BC and 17th of June may how many are getting to 40 goals and APM or Euros 2024 nim so far and yam 1 week mpo afeni about 4 days goals APM nya asem ketwa and no nsem na me de amount no open goals eno ebeboa goals ebeboa eno nsem kaka mental sem so emfama wa memfa nko PM Spain ene Croatia game na course no enso emu na memfa ho nsem kaka ento dia emfama ukopiem a game no ewie 3-0 in favor of Spain 3-0 in favor of Spain. Abrana, Alvaro Morata, Fabian Ruiz, and Dani Carvajal. Eshe goals de ama Spain ama motimi win game no against Croatia. Na de ho nsem eto wani mama so hu de wi game no esi ekoe no. Game no really the first time Spanish national team ebo game one the opponent take possession by still now or winning game no by 3-0. Say Spain national team achieve and obo game obebon obe take possession obe possess ball no as I win game no on top of it, but this time round no Croatia for take possession 56 42 or 45 thereabouts percent for Spain, and still now Spain for manage almost 3-0. And Ukopima, the best, one of the best center backs currently in our game of football, Josko Guardiola. Adia Lami Yama, the 16-year-old boy, Barcelona guy, future legend, upcoming football greatest. This guy will be one of the greatest footballers we will ever see in our generation. What you see, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, they are out of this planet or out of the world. But Lamine Yamal is also in his own kingdom, his own level. This boy is doing something else, and at the age of 16, you know, at the age of 16, now Lionel Messi here. No more Euros, no more Copa America, no more World Cup, no more Chese, no more La Masia. Barcelona team B. Honana Lionel Messi eba age 19 our Barcelona senior side. World Cup was starting no 2005, 2006 World Cup, no 19 years. The first debut game or she goes as we all know Cristiano Ronaldo as usual. What you say? But this boy Lamine Yamal, only Luka Modric, 38, obetimi awono at this age, on any papa and then bobo, and at the abo and the year Josko Guardiola. The Messi the year no World Cup no, and one Lamine Yamal as the year no Euros 2024. Oh wow! I say another say three da. What you say? Pedri and Subo game. In all, the entire Spanish team no. Ayo game, and we can't take anything away from them, but Croatians also did their best. Omubo as usual. Luka Modric, the captain, and the rest. What I say, but all the same, they lost 3-0 to the experimental also Slovenia, Denmark. A very beautiful moment. You see in the Euros 2024. What I say, Denmark won. Ukopima game echo ende 1-1. Christian Eriksen, Manchester United legend or the Manchester United player. Or no, now, yeah, the game changer, the difference maker in that very game at the Denmark and the Slovenia game and or no be piano every part or every aspect of the pitch. Now Eriksen I don't say man, but me fan to na men take you way back to 2020 Euros. Now Slovenia, Denmark airborne game. Eriksen etwahwe and I say okolapse on the pitch. Omotam abrante na free pitch ni so a ka ketekete nka abrante no ehwe ne nkwa ehon ma don't say me na dey e de eto by nyame nchaade where odaso tiase oje ne nkwa e de na man second chance e de ne ba tiase for asase so a and Andra na ye 1100 days since that tragic moment in 2020 Euros, and Abrante no so enenya MVP ehon ma de won say mina ede eman ye fe eman ye energy in the Euros 2024, and the dynamic sense we say sad no happen, and Minim say Eriksen and so the family members no obia ani achi eno a game against Denmark Slovenia eno ho nsem nam de air to the mama so ho de wi a eno enema esikwa me fa na ni ko pimo Serbia England game no ekowie 1-0 in favor of England. Jude Bellingham the difference maker, the goal scorer for England ono ene say go edma England na England etimi win game no 1-0 e won my don nsem nya ede ma ono so ene say nya MVP of the game. MVP of the game. I don't want to say the air two winning. And England national team no more big names, more players, more big teams, big clubs. But currently only a very shaped team for the England national team. You get team is different from players. Team no better make of Division 1 players. A generated team. Be competitive. Team you ambition be and say Real Madrid say that is called team. You have players in so you have big names from Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Benzema, Jude Bellingham, Vinicius Junior. Any big players, Robert Lewandowski, players Harry Kane, Kyle Walker, John Stones mention, but only team. Say team ni ye generated team, ya team. Gary Southgate ahyehyɛ team we dey eba no bi esuro omo ni bi omo players ba omo finfin no host the dem a opponent ni etimi pass it through the host hit omo anytime and I said therefore na take omo chances nka omo so say England national team no ema omo me fan to aso wa Poland enso the Netherlands at the game ne ba so ema Netherlands ehye Poland by 1-0 game winner no eba late and I said last 20 minutes and a game winner no ebaye eno Wegos ene be share sa winner no edema Netherlands em de won sem nyale eto ene mama so hu de wi a enema esi ekoye Cody Gakpo ene na MVP of that very match eno ene nsem kakra de eto ene mama so hu enti Netherlands won so etimi baage all the 3 points e won my de won sem nyale eto won fo ene ko piem a ene games etoda Romania Ukraine 3-0 on my middle seminary. Edi eto ni mama so won de wi a esikwa we almost second win since almost started so omobo Euros tournament ni bi no almost second ever win on my day won seminary. Edi Belgium enso etena ho ema Slovakia ebe share no 1-0 Slovakia Romelu Lukaku enso abo chances ni nyina ato agu wabo chances ni nyina ato agu ama tisie no omo lose to Slovakia nti no omo group no na akoda last of their group omo 0 points minus 1 goal e won my don sem e de amount and memfa history kakra so amount na nso hu de wi a na mesi ko e wo Euros won sem ntimi ka Euros won asema memfa history kakra emfa mount and young boys no so e make ways in the European Championship and a very good. I was say young generation no you say we are having good and better players and one my don't say them and my uncle Pima Florian Wirtz and so the youngest goal scorer in the history of the European tournament, the youngest goal scorer in the history of the European tournament, or 21 years 42 days. Oh no, Esina kan Edema Germany. The second goal scorer, no, youngest goal scorer, Jamal Musiala, 21 goals, 109 days. And also, Esina kan Edema German national team. Omuna should go this very tournament. And 2020, player no the youngest, and sign and able to know Kai Havertz, 22 years, 8 days. And also, Eshen go no 2020, man. And also, Esina kan Edema German national team. German national team no. Young boys in Kwan Ede. A woman, I don't want some air to any mamma so who dear AC Echo. Men found copy our Spanish national team number Lami Yama and so the youngest player to ever feature in the European tournament. To ever feature in the European tournament with 16 years of age or 16 years and Adia Abrantiano against Croatia for no. Wow, they're massive. a very very good game na Abrante ni nya no hon ma yɛde ho nsɛm nyina de ɛde ɛto or just 16 years of age and also a record age to feature in the tournament ɛwɔ ma yɛde ho nsɛm nyina de ɛde ma ogo pima the oldest player ɛnso Pepe Osinakan ɛde ma Portuguese national team. Pepe Osinakan ɛde ma the Portuguese national team. Ɔna the oldest player to play in the European Championship or 41 years. Yɛde ho nsɛm nyina de ɛto anim ama nso wɔ ho de wi a ɛnneɛma esiko pima mpanimfo mu bi no Cristiano Ronaldo, Luka Modric, Toni Kroos. Ronaldo for 39 years, Toni Kroos 38, Modric 38, and other players almost account. And I'm the one saying that the L2 the mama also who they were esiko. Okopima, the youngest captain in the history of the European Championship. The youngest captain in the history of the European Championship. The Hungarian captain or the Hungarian player, Dominik Szoboszlai. Dominik Szoboszlai. Osinakan Edema, Liverpool Football Club. Only the youngest ever captain or feature in the European Championship, 23 years of age. I know. Players are almost a company for more game. Started really last Euros at the Euros 2024. Last Euros also mobile Toni Kroos or started Euros 2024 and then the first Euros or the Eboma German national team. Luka Modric also started Euros in 2008, Cristiano Ronaldo 2004 and Pepe 2004. Also last Euros in Nipa 4 last Euros Euros 2024 and no mobile yɛde ho nsɛm nyina de ɛto anim ama nso ho de wi a enema esi ɛkɔ in the Euros. So far this and many more are the news from the European Championship so far 2024 and I'm the ever to anim ama nso ho de wi a enema esi kɔ. So make sure you subscribe to the channel.